In this video, I will show you how to make a description, title, and tags in Displate. Hover over here to your profile icon and click on Upload Your Artwork. Okay? You just need to make sure your artwork meets these requirements: JPG, PNG, WebP, or AVI format, minimum size 2900 by 4060 pixels in a 1.4 by 1 ratio, needs to be 300 dpi or more in RGB mode. If it meets these requirements, drag and drop it right here, okay? Or click on Browse to use your File Explorer. I'll go ahead and use this image right here. I'll drag it and drop it here. Now, it is currently uploading. Let's see. It does meet all the requirements. Then go ahead and click on Next right here. And it will basically start analyzing my artwork that I have posted to come up with a title and description. So here we go. It is analyzing our artwork. It will come up with a relevant title. As you can see, Green Dragon Cityscape. That is perfectly fine. Very relevant. Does take into account of the keywords. So I'll keep it as it is. Now, description. They also generated a very relevant description with keywords. And I'm happy with this. If you want, you can go ahead and edit this further. Art type. I will go ahead and choose an illustration. I'll press next. Now, for tags, we have Dragon, Cityscape, Fantasy, and first, the first tags are the most relevant tags. And as we go later on, the tags are there in terms of association. For example, urban, fierce, right? And you can also go ahead and add more tags if you do want. And then I'll go ahead and press on next. You just need to choose a category, and then I will go ahead and create a new one, and tough animals. Okay, click on create, and then choose that, and go ahead and toggle this on, and click on next. It will just validate if it is of a good quality before it's displayed, and it's really that easy and simple.